Alors, fiche ma vie tranquille. Je suis amoureuse de Marcus. Alors, mon relation avec Marcus, je sais que les gens vont parler. Ils vont jaser de partout. Je m'encontre fiche. S'il faut passer leur analyse, au salle là, on a Marcus T. Peu importe, azana moisi, azana na basi, et talingate. Mais na Marcus, c'est pour la vie. Attends, Zamba bien, ok, on a Marcus au Kabona, ate bat balobi. Donc, yo, garde-toi.
I promise I did it. I check we finally getting married today. Certainly you gon' treat me good. You gon' love me till the end of a time. Today's the day we been ready for. Today I been working for. Keeping it real, we been doing good, girl. You and my girl.
Girl, I know you are everything I want. Girl, I know you are everything I need. You are my love, I want you by my side. Tell me if you ready. Your name was Sinangana Leila. You are my love, I want you by my side. Tell me if you ready. Your name was Sinangana Bona. I'm the one you need, surely I got you all the time. Doing freaky things for the rest of our lives. You name my baby, you. Motema gaga yo, mabanzo gaga.